India registered a fresh single-day spike of 261,500 cases on Sunday morning. 1,501 fresh deaths were also recorded. With this, the total number of cases stand at 1,47,88,109 and the death toll is at 1,77,150. Active cases are now at 18,01,316. India is reporting the second highest number of average daily deaths. The country is just ahead of US and Mexico. Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected COVID-19 state in India. On Saturday, the state registered 67,123 fresh cases. Maharashtra accounts for nearly 26% of the fresh COVID-19 infections. The state also saw the highest number of deaths at 419 on Saturday. Delhi registered a whopping 24,347 COVID-19 positive cases on Saturday. Delhi's positivity rate currently stands at 24.56%. Total number of people who have recovered and have been discharged stand at 15,414. 167 people succumbed to the highly contagious disease in the last 24 hours. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Saturday termed the situation in the capital as very serious. He said the city is facing a shortage of life-saving drugs and oxygen. I requested the Union Minister to arrange for oxygen as soon as possible and also provide life-saving drugs such as Remdesivir and Tocilizumab. We have always got help from the central government when faced with tough situations during this pandemic. We are hopeful the centre will help us now as well, Kejriwal said. One of the worst affected states due to COVID-19, Karnataka on Saturday registered 17,489 fresh cases, 5,565 discharges and 80 deaths. With this, the total number of cases in the state stand at 11,41,998 and total discharges are at 10,09,549. The active cases in Karnataka are reported at 1,19,160. So far, 13,270 people have succumbed to the disease. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday held a meeting to review the COVID-19 preparedness and vaccination drive in the country. The Union Cabinet Secretary, Principal Secretary to PM, Union Home Secretary, Union Health Secretary, Pharma Secretary and Dr. V.K. Paul of the Niti Aayog attended the meeting. PM Modi stressed on the need of testing, tracking and treatment. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will hold various public programs in poll-bound West Bengal today. The Union Home Minister began his day with a public meeting in Purbasthali Uttar at 11 am. He is now scheduled to hold a roadshow in Nakashipara at 12 pm, then a public meeting at Swaroop Nagar at 1:45 pm and a roadshow in Habra at 4:15 pm. States like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Delhi, Karnataka and Odisha have issued detailed guidelines for people returning after attending Kumbh Mela. All states have requested the returnees to isolate themselves for 14 days and get their RT-PCR test done. Over 1,500 people tested positive for COVID-19 in the religious gathering. Mumbai Indians defeated Sunrisers Hyderabad by 13 runs in an IPL fixture on Saturday. Sunrisers had a good start. David Warner and Johnny Bairstow had a blistering start, but lack in the depth of their batting lineup led to the defeat. Kieron Pollard was awarded the man of the match.